Okay, so we're going to talk about your worksheet 29 tonight. I'm just going to set up the first couple. I'm not actually going to work them out. All right, chicken finger appetizer is 4 times as much as sweet tea. So your sweet tea is going to be your X, and your chicken fingers then would be your 4X. If Frank ordered 2 appetizers, so that's 2 times 4X and 4 times X, and it was 25.80. So that's going to give you 8X plus 4X. And then you would solve from there by dividing by 12. Okay. Problem number 2. Okay, Amy traveled 26 miles in 5 hours. So this is our chart problem. Okay, she's got walking and she's got biking. All right, so she walked for 2 miles per hour. She biked for 10 miles per hour. Okay, so she's going to walk for X amount of time, and then she will have biked for 5 minus X. So we're going to multiply that together. And then we're going to combine these, which is going to give me 50 minus 8X and set that equal to her total distance, which is 26. And you would solve for X from there. All right, 4 more than 3 times a number, so we're going to write 3X plus 4 is equal to 2 times the sum of a number and 3. So you're just setting up an equation there and then work that out. All right, so I'm not going to work through every one of these, but I'm just going to hit on a couple. Okay, number 6, number 8, those are both perfect squares and they divide evenly. Okay, so like for number 6, we're going to take the square root of 9, which is going to be 3, and then we divide our 20 by 2, so it's going to be 3m10. Okay, for number 7, you're going to do the same thing. We're going to come back to this 8 that's outside, but we're going to start right here with 6 x to the 11th and y to the 8th. And then we're going to multiply all of that times that 8. The only thing that actually gets multiplied is the 6. So that's going to make your final answer become 48x11 y to the 8th. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing for problem number 8. It's just like number 6. Problem number 9 is just like number 7. Okay, so 10 and 11 both have answers numbers outside as well, so don't forget to multiply by those. All right, 12 square root of 25 is going to give me 5, and divide by 2, a to the 6th and b to the 12th. And likewise, number 13, the square root of 16 is 4, r to the 4th, and s to the 8th. And then our last row, okay, I'm going to do number 14, I think, and number 15 with you. All right, on number 14, we're going to start with the square outside. Okay, so negative 2 squared is going to give me 4. And then you multiply your exponents, x to the 10th, y to the negative 12th. And then we're going to multiply that by the front value. So 8 times 4 is going to give me 32. Add your exponents, so 4 plus 10 gives me 14, and 3 plus negative 12 gives me negative 9. And then remember, we can't end with a negative exponent, so we're going to move that y to the 9th down to the bottom, and everything else remains on the top. Okay, the last one. Okay, so we're going to start by distributing the 3, so that's going to give me 8, a to the 12th, b to the negative 9th. Okay, I'm going to rearrange. Well, 8 divided by 2 is going to give me 4. All right, a12 stays, a5 comes up top, b stays, and b9 comes down to the bottom. So that's going to give me 4a17 over b to the 10th. And that's the same way you're going to do number 16 and number 17, I believe, on your homework.